So we just finished our carrots and prunes, and we were still hungry, so we're having peas. I don't know if we like the peas or not. What do you think? Do you like peas? Want another bite? Last bite. All done. Yeah.